Now, welcome everybody to another episode of the Poadcast, your favorite podcast. So, today I'm here with my two guests, Fatima.
Hi everyone.
And Elsa.
Hi everyone.
So, guys, have you guys been noticing how winters don't seem as cold as they used to be and summer feels somehow hotter and longer? What do you guys think about this?
Firstly, I would like to thank you for having me. Over the years, I've noticed how the weather has changed in ways that feel surely. When I was younger, snowstorms were more common and snow stayed on ground for weeks. Now, snow doesn't happen as often, and when it does, it melts quickly or turns into slush. Also, rainfall patterns have changed too. Sometimes there are long dry spells and then suddenly have the rains cause flooding.
Well, of course, Elsa, I totally agree with you. In my personal experience, it's all about the greenhouse gases. For people who don't know what that is, greenhouse gases are basically gases in our atmosphere that trap the heat. Basically, they let the sunlight pass through the atmosphere, but they prevent the heat brought by the sun rays to leave the earth.
And the interesting fact is that in Europe is varying faster than the global average, with Southern and Eastern Europe experience the most intense heat waves. More wildfires in Mediterranean regions like Spain, Portugal, Greece, and Italy. Winters are becoming milder and summers are getting hotter, increasing the risk of wildfires, droughts, and health problems. Coastal areas, especially in the Netherlands, Belgium, and Italy, Venice, are at higher risk of flooding due to rising sea levels.
Well, yes. But if you think about it, it's not only Europe, also America. And you would think that more heat means more rains, but somehow it doesn't always happen like that. Places like California, and particularly its central and northern parts, used to receive drastic amounts of rainfall, especially winter months. Now, look at the current situation, droughts and fires. What are actually ways that we could solve these problems? What do you think, Fatima?
Look, honestly, there are simple ways to help with weather change, such as using clean energy like solar or wind power, protecting nature, using less plastic and chemicals. For example, I choose bicycle or public transportation instead of cars.
Well, I might have to start riding bicycles now.
Coming back to personal experience, one of my personal experience about this is when I was 6 years old, I remember there was a heavy snowfall in Afghanistan and all the schools were closed for several days. But every year, the amount of snowfall decreased, and this is a good example for weather change.
Well, Elsa, do you have anything to add about this?
Yes, one more fact is the 10 warmest years in the historical record have occurred in the past decade. Year 2023 was the warmest year since global records began in 1850 by a wide margin. Overall, it was about 2.65 degrees Fahrenheit or about 1.47 degrees Celsius warmer in 2024 in the late 19th.
Well, would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? We're out of luck because our time is up. Make sure to be tuned for our next episodes. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.